Hi all, welcome to another video session on Python series. So in this video we will be covering upon new line character and what are comments in Python. So it will be a very small video, small topics as well. So for comments, like there are two types of comments. One is single line comment and other one is new multi-line comment. So for commenting in any Python, we have to add a hash symbol in front of that. If I use control or this you might be seeing like backspace or slash backslash, I think so this is the comment. We added a comment, and if you see like this I'm getting this error as well, like this is not defined, it's not defined. Okay, so I can uncomment this using the shortcut which is available in this what you can say like this VS Code. Okay, so one more comment, like we can add one more type of comment. So for that,
सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल को और दबा दे बेल बटन को and set it to all for full notifications.
I have to do 3 times. I have to press 3 double quotes. 1, 2, 3. You will get this kind of stuff. Seriously, whatever things you write inside this, for example, I'm writing anything remove any data. Okay, if I run this, click on this run button. I think it's not running. You will get 2 because I'm doing some operation. You can skip this for now, but this comment, whatever I wrote in this comment, it is not displayed or it is ignored because this is a comment. Okay, this is how you can write the comment. If you can write multiple lines here inside this, whatever you write, you will not get these, all will come into the comments section. One more thing you can do similar ways, like I can do like this, then again press and do like this. These things also will work for you. So you can do either way, like either way you can work and write the comments. Then now the next thing that we want to cover today is what do you want to cover? New line characters. Okay, let me do one more thing. I want to print something. Seriously, I want to print something, so I will print something like this. Okay, and let me print one more thing. Okay, print neat. Okay, and I will click on this run button. I'm getting this, and this is coming into the next line because this is the next print statement. Okay, one more thing I can do here, I can put here this one end command as well. If I run this and space, okay, now by default what is happening, it will generate a space because I added a space, and this whatever meat is written, it will come into the same line. Instead of earlier it was coming at the next line because I didn't added end. Now what I can do, if I let me remove the backspace and try. Seriously, if you see now, I'm not getting any space. So you can add a space in between for a new line so that it doesn't goes to the next line. Space is added and the next print statement is added adjacent to the same adjacent to the what you can say print statement, earlier print statement, and only one space will be added. So what you can do, one more thing you can do, like instead of this, what you can do, I can press here and do like this also. This is how I can work, and I can, when I will click on this, so I will get the same result. By default, this what you can say like this comma contains a space, so that's why a space is coming here. If I add one more space here and then run it, so I will get 2 spaces, one for the comma and one for this space that I added manually. Oh, these are the new line characters you can do. One more thing you can do, like let me try one more thing. I think this will also work. I think this will show any error. Okay, yeah, it is also working. What I'm getting, like I'm getting slash n is used to get into the next line. So if you can see, like it's coming into the next line, and I added a comma as well. So it will take one space. It's taking for this comma as well. So today, what we have covered? Today we have covered how to write comments in Python and how we can work with new line characters. Similarly, you can use I think slash t is also something I don't remember exactly. Slash t is for spaces. I think spaces. It's like you can search on the internet like what is for. Similarly, we have other new line characters as well. You can see what are available in Python. This was a very small video. We covered upon what are the comments, how to write a comments in Python. Comments are very important, like to tell the other people's, like other team members, or you can say other people who are reviewing your code, like what I'm writing here. Like you can add a comment like I'm adding two numbers. You can add a comment like I am creating a data frame and I will do some manipulation in that kind of stuff. So comments are most important. Comments you should write comments for whatever code you are writing, like whatever chunk of code you are writing, you should write a comment for that, so that other people can understand what you have written inside that code, what the other block of codes belongs to, why we are writing that code, to understand, so that other people can also understand. So in this video, like it was a very small video. I will see you in the next video. Till then.